You little troublemaker.
She likes it.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Whoa! See this up in the mirror?
See, come and get me.
Go get him! I love having a circle here. Oh, Ty's got his glasses. Uh-oh. We're gonna play baseball. Woohoo!
Alright, Ty, I'm ready.
That was a good throw. Woo!
Yeah, that's a good one.
Yeah. Okay, Mama's turn.
Come closer, bud. What is it?
Grandpa's gonna love that. Is that hot?
Yeah. Inside is hot.
Yeah. Ooh, hot.
Please me. The firefighter.
Why?
Tight. These are hot.
But they're not on fire. Are you guys gonna eat them?
Yep.
Sadie, how was picture day?
Good. We had to do it in the library though.
Really? These two were left alone for 5 minutes. Ty, what's on your face? Ashes? Excuse me, Mr. Raccoon. What's your name?
Racing car boy.
Racing car boy. What do you think Dad's gonna say when he sees you?
That's handsome for riding.
He's gonna say you look handsome for riding?
You think it was good or you think it was bad?
Good.
You think it was good? What do you think he told me?
I know.
You want to know? He said you are doing awesome.
Aww. Good job.
He said that you are one of his very, very best kids. Showed me your test about your evaluations. They were awesome.
Whoa.
Super smart.
I think Sadie deserves. What do you think?
I don't know.
What, a treat? Or like to go out on a date with somebody?
Yeah.
I was very impressed.
Yeah, I'm proud of you too.
You dogs!
What do they do? Pooped.
Poopy's here.
Dogs,
Keep
you
pooping.
bad girls. Maybe they're like, well, he keeps moving it, so maybe he wants us to do it somewhere else.
I'm doing it.
Not out of gas, is it?
No.
Well, you can if you go on an airplane. That's the nose breaker right there. That's tricky, that hurts. Okay, we're playing the 7 seconds challenge. First person to turn around 3 times. Go, Ty!
I went that one.
Good job, Sadie. First person to touch your toes. Who was it, Dad?
Tyson.
Tyson, I think.
Yeah.
I think it was Tyson. He was fast. Okay, first person to say sorry to your foot.
Sorry, foot.
No, your own foot. You gotta lift it up.
Sorry, foot. That was me. I was first.
First person to touch the other person's ear. First person to touch their belly button. Tyson wins. Good job, Ty. Okay, first person to slap Pip's butt. Tyson got that one too, I think. Did he?
Sure.
Okay.
First one
Okay,
to
this is-
change a poopy bum.
Yeah.
Go, 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 go.
First person to say the ABCs. They both
did
got it.
Good job.
Good job.
Yes, we won.
First person to count to 3.
1, 2, 3. Sadie, hear me,
First
Mama?
person
Nice point. I point.
Good job.
do 2 push-ups.
Hurry, go, Ty.
2.
First one to touch my nose. My nose.
You can fight Daddy. You gotta fight Daddy to get his nose. Fight Daddy to get his nose. Hurry.
Take him.
Ah. Tyson won. Okay, this is the tiebreaker.
Touch your head. Touch Daddy's head.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good job. 5 seconds. Give me 5s. Give me 5s. Good job. That was a fun game.
Wait, you got it. Read 5 push-ups and have a bathtub and wrestle.
That's what it says in the Book of Mormon.
Dad, I don't tell you what to do. But first you don't want to drown everyone.
Everyone,
Can I tell you something?
tell me.
Play like a computer.
Tick, tick, toot, tick, tick, boop, bloop, bleep, bloop, blip.
Daddy, yeah, do what we said. Do like a tablet does. I mean a computer does. Just like Mom does. You got 2 and these.
Excuse me?
Now I don't do the other page. Dad will get this one.
Okay.
Jump like the elephant.
Oh, I'm good at this one. Boom.
You win.
Boom. Yay.
Turn on the movie and you win.
So if you turn on the movie for real life, you win.
For real life. Good night.